hiring your next auto technician, watch this video first. These are the 7 biggest mistakes that I've seen auto repair shops make when hiring A-level mechanics. My name is Justin Parker with My Help Wanted. I'm a freelance automotive recruiter. I've run a digital marketing agency for repair shops and body shops for the past 10 years now. And a couple of years ago, a client of mine came to me and asked me to solve a major problem that, quite frankly, a lot of my other customers were having as well. And that was helping them hire more mechanics to fix all the cars that they had piled up outside. Now, these guys estimate they were turning away between $10,000 and $20,000 in business every week, and if they didn't hire some people soon, it was really going to affect their bottom line. You see, the problem most shops have right now is not getting more customers, it's hiring more mechanics to do the work that they already have. Believe it or not, this blind spot can affect every other aspect of your business if not handled properly. Now, taking your time to fill a position isn't the worst thing that could happen, but filling it with the wrong person is. One wrong hire could spell disaster for your business and set you back years. It could lead to a negative work environment, bad reviews, loss of revenue, loss of customers, and even jeopardize your reputation. Now, often, the most overlooked part of this entire process is editing your offer and your ads once they're already out there. Then there's hiring a designer to create an ad for your job posts, collecting employee testimonials to add credibility. Then there's crafting social media posts to reach people who are not necessarily searching on traditional job boards, but are still actively in the job market. Then, if you want people to see you on social media, you still have to advertise, right? I mean, not knowing who to target or how to optimize your listings on social media could be a whole other challenge. It's often why your ads will run for weeks or even months without getting any qualified candidates in the door. Because if you don't know what element of your ad isn't working, you can't really change it, can you? I mean, you don't know what you don't know. Then, when all that's set up, the real fun starts. Sifting through dozens of resumes to identify only the qualified candidates and then calling them to schedule interviews. I mean, it costs you time and money either way. Wouldn't it be easier if all that was done for you? Here's how it works. Most recruiting agencies have a pool of auto repair technicians that they've worked with. When you have a job opening, they reach out to their candidates and try to fill your positions. If they don't have any qualified techs on hand, then the position stays open for a while. Now, we have a pool of past candidates, but the best ones don't stick around for very long, so we don't really rely on them. If we don't have a candidate for you immediately, then we find you one by aggressively advertising to the technicians with just the skill set that you're looking for, zeroing in on only the techs that worked at very specific places. For example, if you needed an Audi technician, besides marketing on all the usual suspects like Indeed, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, we'd also market your job directly to all the qualified Audi techs all throughout New England. Now, we do this through use of a technology called geofencing and retargeting. Our data shows that the average American checks their phone 94 times throughout the day, and most people are never more than 5 feet away from their phone at any given moment. Now, all phones have what's called a MAC ID. A MAC ID is basically a way for big data to track our movements online and in person to create a buyer profile of us to be sold to advertisers. None of any of this is new, except for your ability to use this information to get in front of just the types of technicians with the exact skill sets that you're looking for. Here's what one of my clients had to say. Justin got us 4 new employees over the last 2 years, 3 mechanics and 1 service advisor who have all stayed with us. We highly recommend him. So, if hiring the right employees has been something that you've struggled with, I would like to help you. And if you'd like the exact strategy that we use to consistently find A-level technicians absolutely free, just book a 15-minute call with me and I'll outline our entire system that we use to help assist you in your next hire. Just go to www.calendly.com/Justin J.O. Parker or call 781-738-0916 for more information. Okay, that's all. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a good day.